Reaction lamang ho ninyo ay nagalit daw yung China dahil binati ni Pangulong Marcos itong President-elect na si si Lai Ching-te. Dahil sabi ng China nakikialam daw tayo, bagamat parang kabaliktaran. Sang-ayon tayo sa One China policy. Pero bakit daw binabati, kinocongratulate ito si Lai Ching-te? Parang tingin ko, prop or attorney, sobra-sobra naman. Pati ba naman pagbati, pinakialaman na baka sa susunod, bawal na rin tayo kumuha ng mga produkto sa ibang bansa. Kailangan puro China-made na lang, attorney. What is your take on this?
Alam mo kasi, if there's one thing I realize about life, kung sino yung mga sobrang sensitive, sino rin yung insensitive. Look at China, for example.
Tumpak.
I was actually looking at its Foreign Policy Foundation. They always emphasize on peaceful coexistence. Number 2, mutual respect for sovereignty and territorial integrity. Number 4, mutual respect for interest. And number 3, number 4, yung tinatawag nilang respect for non-interference in internal affairs. Pero kung titingnan mo itong mga pundasyon na ito, na ang China mismo ang sumisira at hindi nila ginagawa. Tingnan mo na lang kung paano nila tinatrato usapin ng West Philippine Sea, for example. But if you look at on paper, they've always been promoting the need to respect territorial integrity, something they do not do. Kaya ang problema, insensitive sila, pero sensitibo rin sila kapag sila naman ay nagagawa ng bagay na hindi nila gusto. You have to understand that with respect to President Marcos, there is a need to balance certain interests. Alam mo, when you talk about governance, sa constitutional law, ang isang theory dyan yung tinatawag na balancing of interest. On the one hand, of course, the President has to recognize this One China policy, something na hindi natin pwedeng basta pabayaan dahil, China, of course, obviously is a superpower. But on the other hand, kagaya nga na nasabi mo po kung kanina, actually, we have about 200,000 OFWs working in Taiwan right now.
Yes.
And for the longest time through our MECO office, we have established great working relations with them. So, kailangan balanse ng Pangulo yung interest ng China, but interest din ng Taiwan. At sa tingin ko, maganda yung ginagawa ng Pangulo. Hindi naman ako natatakot na magre-resulta ito ng kapahamakan sapagkat sa usapin ng foreign policy at diplomasya, hindi naman basta-basta nagre-resulta ito sa agresyon. Kaya sa tingin ko, tama lang yung ginawa ng Pangulo while maintaining a One China policy, trying also to recognize the role Taiwan has played in protecting our OFWs there.
Okay.
Malinaw.
Pero ito pati yung ambassador ng natin doon to China, si Ambassador Flor Cruz, pinatawag din, nasermonan din, anak ng pusit naman. Lahat na lang ho, parang, and then they're saying, hindi na nahiya itong mga mukong na ito, sasabihin na we are intruding in their sovereignty. Hindi na natin, dapat tinitingnan muna nila yung West Philippine Sea kung anong ginagawa nila, yung pambabastos daw sa kanilang soberenya, Attorney Ed.
Tama po, sir. Sabi nga natin, what is sauce for the goose should likewise be sauce for the gander, di ba? Kinakailangan, pareho dapat ng pagtatrato. Yung pagpapatawag naman at yung panenermo ng China ay hindi na bago, Something that they can do and something that we've also been doing. Yung filing naman ng diplomatic protest is a manifestation ng hindi pagkagusto doon sa ginawa, but it does not actually result into anything. Naniniwala ako na tama lang yung ginawa ng ating Pangulo. And you have to understand, even during the last administration, towards the tail end of the Duterte's administration, even the former president realized that appeasement, o yung pag-gravitate towards China wouldn't actually work. At sa tingin ko, sa bandang uli, tama lang na magkaroon tayo ng independent foreign policy. Wag natin ipakita yung pagkiling natin kahit kay Nino, para all of these countries would always be on their toes, trying to appease us in the process too. Kung magaligawan din nila tayo.
Hindi nga ginawa yan sa Amerika, sa Japan, sa Singapore, European Union, na nagpabuti na pagbati.
Pati Singapore.
Singapore.
Neutral na Singapore. Pero
Pikon talo. Itong
oo,
China.
tama.
Pikon talo to.
Attorney Ed Chico, political analyst. Sir, maraming salamat po for your time with us this morning. Thank you, Attorney.